Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan, sa tanan akong followers, supporters, viewers, likers, sharers. Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Karon nga kahaponon na ako karon din sa Buhangin Memorial Park, Davao City. Nagvisit ko sa akong mama kay ugma manggod culmination sa Mother's Day special. So karon nga adlaw sa Saturday, nag-visit ko siya, nag-offer ko siya flower. I really miss my mom. She's gone in my sight since almost 5 years ago. In 2019, October 18, it was my birthday. It was really sad. It's almost 5 years na nawala na siya sa kuwang pananaw. Dito nag-offer ko siya flowers. Hi ma'am, I miss you so much ma'am. Thank you for taking